This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Donald Chapeler, Realtor. Beautiful 2-bedroom/2-bath second-floor condo in the gated community of Loon Commons. This spacious unit features a split-bedroom floor plan, open-concept living and dining area, and a screened lanai perfect for relaxing. The kitchen offers ample cabinetry and a breakfast bar, ideal for everyday living and entertaining. The primary suite includes a walk-in closet and private bath. Additional highlights include in-unit laundry, covered parking, and elevator access. Loon Commons offers resort-style amenities including a clubhouse, pool, spa, and fitness center. Conveniently located near shopping, dining, and major roadways, perfect for full-time living, seasonal use, or investment opportunity. For more information, review the details below.